BBQ fam, today we're doing up some baby back ribs on a char griller 980, and these are gonna be sweet and sticky. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So your baby back ribs, you're gonna wanna rip that membrane off and trim off any loose meat, the stuff that's gonna burn up. Because it's a warmer day here in upstate New York, I don't need a binder. Hit it up with some Kosmos SPG and then that Kosmos Killer Honeybee. Oh hell yeah, and let that set and sweat in. So you want to fill up that chimney with some lump charcoal, but you want to do it in layers because you're going to want to put in about a third lump charcoal and a handful of apple chips. A third lump charcoal, a handful of apple chips, and then top it off. Oh hell yeah. Get your smoker up to about 275. Lower in the beginning is good. So if you want to do 225, 250, oh hell yeah, do that for a couple hours, and then we're gonna wrap these. So you're going for color on these baby back ribs, and then you're gonna pull them and put them in an aluminum foil, but you're gonna lay down a little bit of honey. And then you're gonna put in a couple slabs of butter, and you're gonna wrap this up nice and tight. Put it back on for another hour, and then you're going to open it up. So your baby backs, once you open them up from the wrap, you let it cook a little longer, and then about 15 minutes, you're gonna wanna hit it with some maple bourbon rib glaze from Kosmos. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah!
When these sticky ribs are ready to pull, you want to let them rest for about 15 minutes. Let that rib glaze set, and the sheen is beautiful on these baby backs. Oh hell yeah, this is rocking. You gotta do it. Woo-hoo. These baby back ribs are done and they're falling apart. I try to cut into them and they're falling apart. They look amazing. Let's check these out. We're gonna take an end piece because it stayed intact with the bone.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Messy. These baby back ribs are rocking. Go ahead and make yourself some. Easy to do, but they fall apart when you wrap them up. That 1 hour is a little too much. Maybe 40 minutes tops. Pull them out and then you're good to go. But the flavor doesn't matter if they fell apart. They're amazing. Oh hell yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next cook.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Get your char griller 980 up to about, or get your grill up to about 980. You want to smoke what? So when you pull the baby backs out of the wrap, you're gonna let it cook a little bit longer for about 30 to 45 minutes. After about 15 minutes or so, you're gonna hit it up with some Kosmo maple bourbon Maple bourbon. I mean, that rib meat is amazing. Win. Well then. These baby back ribs are rocking. They're sweet, they're salty, they're we're in the middle of a windstorm. What? What? What?